And my friends, this is Ian. Once again, we're doing a training video, and this one is for step 3, which is adding your programs to your programs page. Now, what I'm going to do is just show you in this link here. I'll just do that. That is my programs page. Okay, at the moment, I have got 6 ads on there. Now, if you are upgraded, you are lucky because you can add up to 20 ads on a page like this, and we always add this one, which is your free one, and that encourages people to join Buildabizonline. Okay, so you can add up to 20 programs like this. Now then, how do you do that? Well, there are some simple little 4 steps there, okay? Now, when adding programs to your programs page, you must pay attention to the instructions in red. We don't want for instance, if I put this, you see that there in between the N and the T, it's one of these, and it won't save. Can you see that? Error, title contains, so it doesn't like it. So write it without, and it's just done a self-correct anyway. And then you can carry on. So you want a title to it. And then when you add this, if I was to put www. Okay, it wouldn't like it. So what it needs is the correct protocol, okay, which is HTTPS nowadays, okay? And your affiliate link would go in that box there. So let me just take those out. So all I'm doing is showing you today, okay? And then you need a 468 times 660 banner. Now, if you go up here to your toolbox, let me right click on there. So open in a new window, and then we've got this page, okay? And this is our toolbox. Now, there's a generator, pro generator. This is, obviously I'm a pro member, so I get the pro member generator. But you can build templates in here. And if you choose a template, then you've got these available to you as a free member. And it's good to build your own banners. Now, I've told you many times before, I'm always preaching this to members, that you need to stand out from everybody else promoting the same program as yourself. So what's the point in keeps promoting the same banners as everybody else? This is the idea behind the tools at Buildabizonline, to help you stand out by, 1, in this case, building your own banners. And you can get different sizes depending on what membership level you're at. Okay, obviously as a paying member, paying members are helping to keep this program going so that free members can use it. If there was no pro members, we couldn't afford to run the program. Okay, so that is where you would find your banners. There's one there, look, for this particular program, but this size banner is ideal, 468 times 60, and that would be placed in this box. And then you can add a description. Again, don't add any of these sort of things. Just a plain description will do. And all you've got to do then is click Add the Program, and it will automatically be added to your programs page. And as I say, mine looks like this, okay? Now, you as a free member, you will be able to add just one. And it will look odd because you just have one sitting up in this side, and it will look imbalanced. So why not join and upgrade at Buildabizonline? Now I'm saying why not join because this is on YouTube. Some people that are viewing this may not be Buildabizonline members. So why not join and upgrade, and you will be able to promote up to 20 programs on one page using one link. Okay, so this is my link. Let me slide this up to you. Can you see that in the browser window there? And that is mine. Now, if I go and click something like this, I will show you a dear friend of mine that lives in the UK. And this is the way that he has set us up. Nicely balanced. And he's chosen to add bigger banners, which you can do when you go back to edit them. You can't do it the first time round, but once you've added a program, you can go back to the edit. Let me just show you mine. If I go here and I click edit, then I can add bigger banners. Okay, so anyway, that was a quick, very quick video showing you how to add your programs onto your programs page. And so that's step 3 completed. Please add as many as you can. As I say, free members can add 1 and 2, and pro member levels can add up to 20. So thanks for listening, and bye for now.